Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. After logging in, then you need to click on Assets at the bottom right corner. From here, you need to click on Withdraw. After that, uncheck this Hide Zero Balances. In the search bar, search for USDT and select USDT Tether. After selecting the coin USDT, then you will have to paste the address and selecting a network. In the network section, click on it, and from here you need to select the network tone, just like I've selected tone because Tonkeeper required the network USDT in tone. Just minimize your Bybit and open the Tonkeeper application. After logging in, then you need to click on USDT, and from here you need to click on receive, and here you can see your USDT tone wallet address. You can also read it, send only Tether USDT and tokens in tone network only, or you might lose all your funds. Simply click on copy and minimize this and open your Bybit again. Simply paste that address here, and after that you need to enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw from your Bybit account and transfer into your Tonkeeper. After all these details, click on withdraw button, and it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to withdraw from your Bybit account and transfer into your Tonkeeper. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.